Hello, today we're going to continue on with our two-step equations and look at some application problems that go along with solving two-step equations. So our first problem is actually example 2. We are going to write and solve an equation to represent this problem and then make sure we include a label with our answer. Cole buys a new laptop for $335. He makes a down payment of $50 and pays the rest in 6 equal monthly payments P. What equation represents the relationship between the cost of the laptop and Cole's payments? Like I did in the one-step equations, I am going to highlight information that I think is important. So I'm going to start with $335. I'm going to say he made a down payment of $50 is pretty important. And then 6 equal monthly payments is also very important. Okay, we just don't know how much the payments are. So I always like to start with my total. And my total is 335. So that should equal the $50 that he paid for a down payment plus the amount of money he pays each month for 6 months. So once I have this, I can go ahead and solve my equation. I'm going to draw a line through the equal sign. And if you want to, you can write this out like we have been, but in the equation, you multiply by 6 first and then add 50. We're going to work our way backwards. We are going to subtract 50 first because it's not right next to the P. And then we're going to subtract here. So if I subtract that from 335, I get 285. The 50s cancel, and that equals 6P. To get rid of the 6, since it is right next to the P, that means they're being multiplied. The opposite of that would be to divide. So I'm going to type that in my calculator. I told you that I prefer fractions, but in this case, since we're talking about money, decimals are great if you need to use them. And I get that P, or the payments each month, are going to be $47.50. Now, this is enough of a label. You could add each month in here if you want to be more descriptive. But knowing that at least it's money, you're good. Excuse me. Okay, leaving that chart problem for you. And then the second example we're going to do is just kind of matching the equation with the situation. So Claire bought 8 tickets for a total cost of 104. So 8 tickets, total cost is 104. She had used a coupon code to get $3 off each ticket, and then let X be the original cost of each ticket. Now, what I want you to be careful of is making sure you understand that it's $3 off per ticket and not just $3 off the total. And that is why I'm going to actually cross off this problem here. Okay, so this one doesn't work, sorry. Because what this shows me is she paid for 8 tickets and then got $3 off the total order. I need to use grouping symbols. So you need to decide then, is this the one where they're showing 8 tickets with $3 off, or is this the one they're showing? And I'm going to go with this one because X is the cost of the ticket and we're taking $3 away from that. So if I do that first and then multiply by the 8 tickets, I'm going to find the total cost for 8. This one would be if they were taking $8 off per ticket and then getting 3 tickets. So we don't want to use either one of these. So our answer C. So I'm going to cross that off, cross this off, and then let you try the next one on your own. If you have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, have a great day.